Alright, this is the GS r1150gs by BMW. And anyway, it's got this issue where after it warms up, it starts knocking. So I'm going to fire it up. It's ice cold, so we'll let it warm up for a minute. Clutch makes a little bit of noise, but for the most part, sounds like a sewing machine. Alright, we'll come back in a little bit once it's hot. Got 2 bars of oil temperature, and it still runs like a sewing machine. Of course, it's not going to make the noise when I'm trying to make a video. It is slowly starting to though. I guess I'll drive it around the block and we'll see what happens. Alright, I went around the block a couple times. 4 bars of oil heat. Sounds like it's coming from the lifters right around in this area here to me. Cam chain tensioner's over here, and that's not where the noise is coming from. It's coming from right here. At least that's what it sounds like to me. Alright, next video I'll be taking that valve cover off and we'll be taking a look inside. Over and out.